We'll add two rational expressions and then we'll simplify if possible. The expressions that we're adding are x minus 4 over x minus 3 and x minus 1 over 3 minus x. Now, these two expressions don't have the same denominator, but if we take a good look at them, we'll see that the denominators are opposites of each other. That means that if I would multiply one of them by -1, I would get the other one. And that tells me what to do to get a common denominator for these two expressions. I'm going to multiply one of these rational expressions by 1 in the form of -1 over -1 so that I'll have the same denominator in each one. And I'll do that with the second rational expression. So I'll just rewrite the first one. And then I'm going to multiply x minus 1 over 3 minus x by -1 over -1. And that gives us, when I multiply this numerator by -1, I'll have -1 times x, which is the opposite of x, and I'll have -1 times 1, -1 times -1, which is 1. -1 times 3 is -3, and times the opposite of x is x. So I'd have -3 plus x down here, and I'm going to write that as x minus 3 so that the denominators match in the way they're written. And now I just need to add the numerators and write that sum over the common denominator. So I'll have x minus 4 minus x plus 1 over x minus 3. And simplifying in the numerator, x minus x is 0. -4 plus 1 is -3. And that's over x minus 3. And I can't do any further simplification of this expression, so this is the sum that we were looking for.